So the biggest misconception that I see small business having towards AI is that it can do your job for you. It cannot do your job for you. It can speed up processes. It can make your job better. Thinking that AI can do the job for you is like thinking that Google can do the job for you. No, Google is going to assist you at finding the resources, but right now it's just a tool. In life, you can only start, change, or stop. That's just about the only things that we can really control. When it comes to people's hesitance about using artificial intelligence, it's just a general theme when it comes to change. Everybody is always reluctant to change, even if for the better. It took me ages to get an Amazon account, but then Amazon is the best thing, since Google. Small business owners and everybody working really at all levels in any organization, they're really going to save a lot of time by using artificial intelligence. Right now, we're using it to draft emails that are better understood by our target audience. We are using it simply to get general direction on big ideas or big topics that we're trying to research so that it narrows it down. After it narrows it down, then we go to the actual source documents, like the Internal Revenue Code, for example, if we're talking about taxes. But that, when you start any project, it's very large and you don't really know where to start, you don't really know where to target your start in this big project. So AI really simplifies it for you, gives us general idea and gives you direction. AI is not going anywhere. It's not going anywhere. Stop being resistant to change. In the past, you have been, and things have changed anyways. Get on it, learn how to use it appropriately, learn how it can make your business and processes better, and use it. Because if you're not using it, your competition is.